Welcome to JC Outdoor Favor. In today's episode, we are going up the mouth of the Two-Hearted River, so come along.
Well, my chores are finally done. Am I taking a break? You better believe her. I'm going to sit right here and watch JC's Outdoor Fever.
Any luck?
No.
Oh, just for fun. No motors allowed. So here's the bridge that we go over to go pick rocks.
I did take a picture of it.
Okay. Yeah, I had to steal your cushion.
It's okay. It's okay.
Alright. Didn't want to, but I had to realize I didn't bring cushion. Alright, Captain, where are we going?
I'll wait till you go under so we don't get sand on you. Oh,
Well, that's alright. The captain of the boat, she knows where to go. So, well, we can turn around. Should be less current over here. We're on the inside bend. Look at that hill there, a sand dune. These trees are trying to survive on there and fire took them out. Yeah. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. A new corner we're going around. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, I had a stump, or twig, something there. Scraped along the bottom. Whoa. Abort. Go over this way. There we go. It got really sandy and shallow right there. Look at the cabins up there, Sums. You can stay in that for a week for $1,050. It's all powered by solar, so they got showers there. You just gotta bring food. Woo! Nice, huh? Gorgeous. That current looks like it's moving pretty good right there.
We'll be working pretty hard.
Yep, maybe. Oh man, it's nice. If Summer wants to go swimming, she can fall in. Woo! feel that breeze, Sums? Does that feel good or what? Wow. Gorgeous. Gotta fix my camera. Pointing down on me here. Oh, we want to see more than Summer's butt. She's got a cute butt, but jeez, she hogs a lot of camera time. Wow. It's like the wind just goes right down through here. Bounces off the banks and... Yeah, it's a shame all this burnt. But it opened up to all the new seedlings and life starts all over again. Nope. There's a layer of rocks up there. That is so neat. How it's just been deposited and see eroding out. There's a thin layer. Interesting. Very interesting. Looks like our clouds are kind of going away. So we're out of the high banks into a debris field here. Looks like all the logs piled up right here. We're up and running again, Sums. We got some current. Well, not too bad yet. Yes. Yeah. Looks like a sandbar coming up. I don't know, it might drop right off. Yeah, it looks like it's doing pretty good. It's a little orangey up here, but it's not super shallow. Oh, look at another sandbank with debris. And a dragonfly hitting the water, getting bugs or something. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yep. Yeah, I kind of figured being this early, it was still going to be a couple hours before it start cooling down. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, getting warm. Maybe another sandbar will get out and go swimming some. Yeah, I hear the side-by-sides up on that hill. Tearing it up. Ah, a little bit of shade for 2 seconds. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. it's beautiful. Oh man, there's a current out here. Maybe. Just sitting there eating grass and we interrupted him. He's like, I'm gonna go and hide. Did you see that, Psalms? There was a muskrat sitting there. Maybe we're the first human he's seen. You're the first dog he's seen. You getting the water?
You need a drink? Hi, baby girl.
We are turning around. We hit a spot where the current is too strong.
I guess I'm gonna go in a circle.
So now we get to see some of the river backwards here. Different views.
There we go.
Oh, the water's nice. I think when I get back to Lake Superior, I might want to go swimming. Hush, Sums. Don't fall in. Well, it's not nice and slow out here. I think I'm gonna have to paddle just to keep off the logs over here, because it's moving. You're sitting back there in that little eddy, and I'm just trying to keep from spinning out here into the logs. Yep. That's good. It worked out great. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm sitting in the eddy. Thanks for watching JC Outdoor Fever, and I hope you liked this episode of the Two-Hearted River, and please subscribe.
Come on, guys, hit that subscribe button. Come on, do it. Do it.
Hey, thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.